Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Tithely step by step, whether you want to manage the donations, track the members or handle the church operations. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Tithely for yourself, you can find the affiliate link in the description box below. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the account creation page of Tithely. Now, before creating your account over here, let's briefly understand what Tithely actually is. So Tithely is a cloud-based church management and online giving platform which is designed to help churches handle the donations, manage the members, and stay connected with their community. It allows users to collect the donations through mobile, website, or text, and it also provides the tools for events, communication, and reporting. So instead of using multiple tools, everything is available in one place. So creating your account here is also very easy and straightforward. When you click on the option of create your account, you will be landed here. It is going to first of all ask whether you want to basically sign up as an church admin or you want to sign up as a donor or the member of the church. So you can choose any of the options that are given over here. Afterwards, press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to fill out the information in which you just have to provide the information about your church, its location, and some of the other details. And then basically you will be able to sign up into your account. When you log in, this is going to be your dashboard where you are going to see a bunch of different sections like giving, people, sites, apps, events, add admins, tab, etc. So each of these section handles a different part of your workflow. For example, giving is for donations and transactions, people is for members database, and then we have events which is for registrations and attendance. So this layout is going to help you manage everything from one place. So now let's start with one of the most important sections, which is giving. So after clicking on the option of giving, it will say that you can set up online giving for your church in which you can gather your documents, then you can add the banking information, add the business information here. So click on the option of continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to basically follow further on-screen instructions by providing all of these details. And when this particular section is activated, you will be able to enable the online donations. You can set up the recurring giving. You can also track the donation history. Tithely also supports multiple ways to give, like mobile payments or website forms or text to give. So this makes it very easier for members to donate anytime. You can also generate the reports and then you can track the finances automatically. Now let's just go back on the home page and click on the option of people. So this is your members database. When you click on this particular option, you can basically add the members over here. You can store the contact details. You can also track the engagement. So here click on the option of add person on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to provide the first and the last name of the person. If you have their photo, you can click on the option of upload photo and then you can basically add them. You can also organize the members into the groups and the categories, and this is going to help in communication and management. So here if I just go back on the home page, you can click on the option of events, and after that you can create your events. You can manage the registrations and even track the attendance. For example, if you are organizing a church event, you can handle everything from this particular event section. Now let's take a look at the sites and the applications. So when you click on the option of sites and when you open it in a new tab, with the help of the sites option, you can basically create and manage your church website. For that, you just have to basically select the template. It should be mobile friendly and then simply add the event and the donation integration. You can also then build a custom mobile application for your search, and this is going to help with communication, live streaming, member engagement. All of this is built directly inside the platform. Now on the dashboard, you are also going to see the option of add admins. When you click on the option, you can basically invite your team members. You can assign the roles to the different people, and you can then manage giving the events and the members. So this can make the collaboration much easier. In order to invite them, click on the option of add user on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, simply provide users email, their role, and you can grant these permissions. Then click on the option of save changes. So as soon as they accept your request, they will be added into your Tithely dashboard. Now we have the option of tags. So with the help of tags, you can basically organize your members. For example, the volunteers, the donors, and the new members can be added or basically removed. You can filter and manage the people easily with the help of the tags option. Now on the dashboard, we also have the option of help and support. So as the name suggests, you can basically get access to the guide. If you are facing any of the problems, you can simply contact to the Tithely customer support team and get assistance from them. This particular section is useful if you get stuck anywhere while creating your account or while doing something. So when you click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see the information about your organization, your tasks that you have created, your billing informations, and some of the options relating to the settings. So you can also manage all of these by using this particular option. So that's how you can use Tithely step by step as an absolute beginner. So this particular platform is all-in-one platform where you can manage the donations, the members, events, and communication easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.